the PNP attrition system. The PNP attrition system is the mechanism used by the PNP to maintain efficiency, discipline, and professionalism within the organization. So by retiring and relieving those officer na diri na namimit dito ni standard at PNP is a way for the PNP to mabawasan itong era tao dida and maghatag in opportunity to those who are competent and more disciplined. So may data modes in attrition. We have the attrition by attainment of maximum tenure and position. May the attrition by relief, attrition by demotion or rank and position, attrition by non-promotion, attrition by means. May naman duduang klase in retirement. May da compulsory nga ni. Pag 56 years old ka na ito, or itong officer, mandatory retirement nito niya. Depende nila kung may extend kayo 1 year. May dadaman optional. Itong optional, kapag nag 20 years ka na itong service, pwede ka na mag-retire. Ikaw na rin bahala kung mag-retire ka. And then, ang pagko-compute na retirement fee is base pay tapos longevity period and the base pay times longevity period times the years in service. So, concept of PNP promotion. Promotion, it is the upgrading of rank and advancement of leadership in position. The basis of promotion is seniority, merit, time and grade and experience, mandatory schooling, and eligibility. 3 kinds of promotion. Regular promotion. It is granted to those officers who are meeting the mandatory requirements for promotion. While the special promotion naman is granted to those officers who exhibited acts, conspicuous courage, and gallantry at the risk of his or her life above and beyond the call of duty. So, may data naman tinatawag na promotion by virtue of position. For example, itong isang police commission officer is an A rank before is police brigadier general, then na-appoint siya as a PNP chief, then anay nabo an iya rank inataas naging 4-star general or naging police general siya. That is the example of promotion by virtue position. Police appointment of newly appointed patrolman and patrolwoman. Temporary appointment nga ni is may 6 months training dito with public safety recruit course. Pwede naman dito with regional training center, 6 months naman. Then 6 months naman itong field of experience or the FTX field training experience. Itong temporary appointment is allowing the qualified applicant to begin their training and field of experience while they prove being that they are fit to permanently serve in the PNP. Next naman is permanent appointment. Permanent appointment, that's when the official confirmation that the trainee have completed the required 1 year training for field of experience like the traffic, the investigation. That's when they become full-fledged regular member of the PNP. Lateral entry naman. Lateral entry are iton himo automatically pag sumulod yung PNP team rank is ang pinakabubo nga rank Lieutenant Commission Officer, which is the Police Lieutenant. Those who are qualified to lateral entry are those graduate, for example, graduated PNPA, naging top notch iton criminologist licensure exam. Those who are Doctor of Medicine, mga ganon. Di naman iton, it maximum age nga yan for lateral entry dapat 46 or di naman lapos itong 46 hindi mo age. Di naman appointment of police officer. Police patrolman to police to PEMS or police executive master sergeant. Nag-appoint tayo is the regional director. And di naman police lieutenant to police colonel, nag-a-appoint is GPNP, recommended by their immediate superior. Di naman police colonel to police lieutenant general, nag-a-appoint is president, recommended by the proper endorsement by the chairman of the CSC. Civil service, basta sagad sa wala. Then di naman nag-a-appoint police general is kuandaman president. Di naman police examination. Para makasulod ka may mag-take police examination o qualifying exams, for example the NAPOLCOM. Automatically ito mo rank pag mag-take ka iton is police patrolman. Di naman fourth class, police corporal to police staff sergeant. Third class naman is police master sergeant to police executive master sergeant. Second class is police lieutenant to police captain. And first class is police lieutenant colonel to police colonel ba to police major ngayon to police lieutenant colonel ala. Ganun.